Okay. I started with 800 grit. I thought I can do 1000, but I guess these wheels were very neglected. So I started with 800 grit. I'm gonna take out the scuff, or what some will call curvage. I got this machine. Hold up, let me see. From Harbor Freight. Uh, I'm not too sure if there's higher grit of sanding, but wait, almost fell. I know Harbor Freight sells these little packs. Come 80 grit, 120, 180, and 240. Obviously, this is not nothing too crazy, so I'm gonna use the finer or the finest grit that I can get, which was 240, and I'm gonna see if I can put the phone so you guys can see how this goes. Okay. You should use safety glasses. Show you guys. Nice and smooth. You see? All you have to do now is take some 800 grit and sand this to obviously, match the other sanding that you did before this. And that's it.